So just thought of showing you something. So this was the epoxy gum or the adhesive which I was using to repair my rust, right, without welding. So this is the tube here. So I want you to tell that don't buy this Araldite gum or adhesive. This is complete actually it feels like the brand is cheating on you. That means fraudulent marketing. That means they are half selling half of this tube is filled up with air. So don't buy this, not worth the price, not recommending for anyone all over the world. Don't buy it. And this is the perfect substitute for that, and this is made by Abro, and it's called epoxy steel. I have previously also used this adhesive previously. So this is a very good resin or gum which we can use to repair rusted metal, right? That means we can how to say that, so you know that epoxy resin can be filled up. So these kinds of epoxy resins or anything like that can be filled up into metal and repair it basically. So without welding I'm trying to repair my rusted areas, so I will show them to you. So this is one place, as you can see. So I have put some epoxy resin there without welding it. So if I weld it again, it would start to rust again, right? And this is a perfect substitute for repairing your bare metal without welding, right? So without the need to weld. So here also we can see several areas are there like that. So I'm going to repair it now. So I have used Araldite gum or the adhesive or the epoxy for this place, and I think for this place I would be using this one, Abro made epoxy resin. So we'll see. So this is a good product to recommend, and never buy this, right? So this is complete fraudulent marketing.